Yes, good afternoon. I'm fine. You tell me, how are you?
I am fit as a fiddle. Thank you for asking. My name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar, but currently I live in Bangalore. I am a proud homemaker as well as mother of one kid. I am. I have lots of hobbies. I have a itchy feed. I love to read book. I love to listen music. I have lots of hobbies, but nowadays I indulge myself to learn this language. So I am consistent about this language. Moreover, I am a YouTuber also. I have started my channel for learning purpose to boost my confidence. Uh, for 3 months ago, I have started my channel. My channel name is Learn English with Kirti. That's pretty much about me.
Okay. So may I know, like you have, it's too early to ask this question, but still, like, in which way are you improving ever since you have opened your channel?
Yeah, I have joined in WhatsApp group, so there I boost my confidence. So I thought, why not? I have to start my channel because some co-learners said, Kriti, you have a caliber because you didn't hesitate to connect with any people. So I thought, why not? I have to start my channel. So yeah, I have to boost up my confidence. So that way, I have started my channel.
Okay, yes. So do you feel like along with learning English in other ways you are also improving? Because I can say when I was posting only shorts related to grammar part, I was not means I was into myself only because at that time you have no one, you can't explore yourself. You cannot get much experience because there is no one to talk to. You only prepare the content and you have to speak and you have to post. At that time I couldn't say that I had much to experience, but now ever since I had switched to posting conversational videos, I can say, like, along with learning English I have been learning a lot of things, and I'm changing myself a lot, like from a shy person, from an introvert person to an ambivert person, you can say. Like now I can change myself according to people's situation. Like I can read the mindset after I coming into the journey of conversing with people. So I can say along with learning English, I am finding a lot of change in myself. Now I enjoy talking to people a lot. Earlier I was a bit hesitant while while breaking the ice or how to initiate, but now I can proudly say, like, this journey has changed me a lot, and I'm very happy. Like, this YouTube journey has come as a blessing for me in my life. Do
Yeah,
you have?
definitely. Yeah, means I also feel like that whenever I connect with people. So, because I always connect with different people, so they have a different kind of experience. So I learn from them, and yeah, means earlier I used to also like very shy person. I was very extrovert because always I feel whenever I used to talk anyone, so I chicken out. So that's faded away nowadays. I can easily articulate my thoughts with any person, and now I don't have any kind of fear. So,
Yeah.
and whenever I upload on my channel, but any content, like I always try to upload on video, conversation video, and new vocab and idiom. So, in that way, I am also learning because we always try to listen our video. This is a, I think, human being means whatever you have to. Download, yeah, whatever we have to upload on their channel, so definitely we always try to see that was that content. So in that way I am also learning and enhancing my communication skill.
Yes, yes, yes. Because in my times, actually, there were no social media and there was no accessibility of these groups and apps. So at that time, we had not many facilities, to learn any skill or any language. But in today's time, if we want to learn anything, so it is very easy. So I think every time indulging in some kind of activity or skill is very important to occupy yourself, because learning, I feel like, never go waste. It can help you in some way or the other.
Yeah, nowadays I think social media is blessing in disguise for us, because we can easily connect with people, we can easily learn anything, any skill we want, not in English only, any skill we have to easily we can learn that. So definitely social media help a lot nowadays. And
Yes,
yeah,
yes, yes.
earlier also means that kind of platform was not available, so I have also regret why this kind of a platform was not available. That time I enhanced my communication skill.
Yes, yes. In earlier times only we had facilities of institute that if you have to learn this language, you have only institute or you can take only classes. But now if you are really passionate to learn anything, so I think if you are not in a position to go out, you can easily learn, being at home. So I think this is the main blessing. So yes, and I can say this thing also like Corona, like at the time of pandemic, it was a really fatal disease for everyone, and many of the families destroyed just because of this disease. But somewhere I can say due to that pandemic, the facility to work from home has come out as a really benefit for especially ladies. Now they
Yes.
can work from home also, and they can handle their family also, children also. I think after that system has become too much change. Now I can say like earlier times, like if I take my parents, if I take the example of my parents, they used to find teaching field as best option, because there is half day, and after half day you can come back to home also, and you can handle your family also, especially after marriage. So that was the reason I went into teaching field. Moreover, it was my liking also. Like I would like to teach children also. I had that attachment with teaching field. So yes, but today in today's time we can say like doing jobs in MNC also is it's quite easy to do for ladies, because
Yes.
you have to be at you have to work from home for 3 4 days, and means I think my sister-in-law, cousin sister-in-law, she works in a firm, and there she has to go only once a week, and the remaining days she works from home. So I think it becomes now so much accessible for her to manage her family also, and to work also. So I think somewhere we feel like we always say there are pros and cons of everything. So I feel like after pandemic we have got that much a big benefit. Like for ladies who are working, they can get relief by working at home. So I think it's
Yes.
good.
Yeah, definitely. I have seen in my society also, they have a means so much benefit nowadays. They can easily look after their kids, family, and they also manage their office also. So this is the benefit after COVID. I will say, means before COVID, it was not available that kind of facilities.
Yes, yes, yes. So seriously, and day by day, these facilities have been increasing. So I think in today's time, there is nothing that we cannot achieve, come what may.
Yes.
Like yes, we in these times we cannot give any kind of excuse that due to this we are not able to learn, due to this we are not able to do anything. If you are really dedicated, I think nothing is impossible for you. So that's what, because earlier also I was going through my health issues. That was the reason I felt like even if I cannot go outside, so why not to start something from home? So that was the reason I opened my channel, and now I have got so much interested. Like because initially I just started for the sake of learning, that I have to learn, so I have no other option but to open this and to learn something. But now I have developed my interest, because once you start doing anything, automatically your interest starts developing into it, whatever you are doing. Now I have become so much prone to these videos that I cannot live. Like if 1 or 2 day if I do not converse with anyone, I feel like I'm missing something. So it has become a part of my life now. I enjoy conversing with people a lot, not in terms of learning, only in terms of everything.
Yeah, definitely. If you have any kind of burning desire, so we can learn easily. Anyhow, means it is no matter where we are living, we are have an environment or not. So definitely we can learn. Yeah, and because of social media, I understood also, if I have any kind of desire, so it is no matter where people are surrounding us or not. Yeah, if we have a surrounded environment or not. So we can easily learn now because of the social media, so it is very helpful to us nowadays. Okay, so what do you think means nowadays online classes is going on, so it is beneficial for kids or not?
Yes, I would again say like there are, but I feel like how much we restrict children from watching phone. But there are so many. Like last week, my children were taking online classes, so we cannot keep our children away from phone
Yes.
because there was some kind of problem going on in the school. So they held online classes for few for few sections. So even if we want, it has become a essential part of our life because their holiday homework, like in our times, holiday homework used to come in diaries, but nowadays each and every kind of, even a smallest homework we can see in their WhatsApp group. So
Yes.
even if we want, we cannot keep children away or even not ourselves away from the these gadgets. Without this, I think our survival is not possible. So I think it's up to us how wisely are we using it. And so like we should always keep a watch on our children, and we should always try to protect ourselves also, not to watch phone for so many hours unnecessary. Like many times it happens if we start just to relax, in a bit to relax our mind, we start scrolling and we do not come to know how 5 minutes has turned into a half an hour or 1 hour. We do not come to know. So especially along with teaching children not to watch phone or TV too much, we should teach ourselves also that to keep avoid phone until it is very much necessary, until it is required for your work. We should try to keep away. You should keep the phone away from you so that you can give your spare time. You can spare that, you can pass you can pass rest of the time with your children, so that children also can learn something with you. You can pass quality time with your children, so that children get more attached with you instead of attaching with these gadgets. So I think everything is in our hand, how wisely we are using our time, how wisely we are using these gadgets, because our children also always follow us. They do not go by our preaching, they always do whatever we do. Like many times they say, Mama, you are also watching phone. Then I always show them that I'm not watching phone, I'm doing my work. So many times it becomes very impossible to to make your children understand like what are we doing. So yes, at some point of time we feel like it is necessary. We cannot keep ourselves away from these gadgets, but at the same time we should we should control on our we should control our children and ourselves also, to avoid these gadgets unnecessary.
Yeah, definitely. I totally agree with you because it is up to us, but it is easier said to done. Means we cannot leave our phone too far for us because everything is on our phone only. So definitely we can use wisely, but we can say how to how to indulge our kids in other thing, because every time we are not available to everything, right? Because I have a small kid, so definitely I have seen to myself also, whenever I watch mobile, so she also complaining about me, Mama, you are watching mobile, so why not I will watch. So yeah, but sometimes we are doing work in our phone, so how can leave our phone? So could you suggest any kind of, means I am trying to indulge in other thing, but she also wants attention, means every time she also wants Mama will come and sit with me, so it is not possible every time, right?
Yes, yes, yes. She must be quite younger. That's why, she does not understand anything. My children are now, they have reached in ninth standard. So now I can think that, because earlier it was very much difficult for me. Because at smallish children do not understand. They will always do whatever you do. They will always act, whatever you are doing right now. So I think it's a bit difficult. I think, you can do your work where, at the time when she is sleeping or when she is involved playing with something. This is the only way I think you can avoid. Else, small to make it's very difficult to make small children understand. In your free time, I think you can play with her many things. There are so many things. to get her attention towards you. So because I have not experienced this, I had my twins, and at that time it was very difficult for me to do anything. I think hats off to you. You are handling your small child also, along with you are trying to, you have started running your channel also. So
Yes.
yes, I think it becomes difficult whenever, because every time we have to do work from our phone also. So it's not possible to keep phone away. And at that time, it becomes very much difficult to make your child understand how to make. Because right now I can make them understand, and they understand very easily. But at
Yes.
this stage, it is very difficult. Yes, you have to adopt different techniques and try to avoid phone in front of her, and can use phone when she is sleeping at night. So this way I think you must manage time until she grows up to understand you have condition properly.
But nowadays, one problem is that nowadays children are not eager to study. Means they are very fascinated about the other activities, like means other activities. But it is very difficult to teach them. So I am facing this problem also because my younger daughter means she doesn't want to study. She always wants to go outside, play outside. Yeah, other activities she wants.
So how many children do you have?
No, sorry, I have a one only, one daughter.
Okay.
She is a
Yes.
6 years old.
6 months, 6 years old. Okay,
Yeah,
okay. So does she have friends outside
yeah,
in her
yeah.
neighborhood?
Yeah, she has friends, but every time we could not send outside, right? Means we have to also see their study. Means it is also important nowadays because nowadays kids are very fascinated about the other activities, but they are not focused on the study.
Yes, yes, yes. But I think in today's time, like she's in sixth standard, so she must be in first or second standard. So I think there are so many activities related to studies come. So I think you can take the help of those so that she can develop interest in studies. It is not
Yeah,
necessary every time to show her activities in phone. There are many kind of games I think available outside through which I think you can teach and she can start taking interest in studies also. And I think instead of watching phone, if you can try to make her engaged watching TV, I think that is much beneficial than to watch phone. Because
yeah,
we also grew up watching phone, and till today we have no specs. We are just roaming without specs. And I have my both, I have twin daughters, and they both have specs, not just because of watching too much phone, just because they were quite weak. So they both
yes,
have got specs. And generally telling you, like in our times, just because we were not too much indulged in screening, that is the reason till today we do not have. And today's time, if you go to school, you see maximum children do have specs. They just wear specs. This is the
yes,
reason only.
yes, definitely.
Yes.
It is
So
true actually.
yes, yes, yes. So we cannot take out the fault of children. I think today's air is like this, today's environment is like this, that
Yeah.
we are surrounded with these gadgets and new modern technology, which we have to avail. Without using it, we cannot survive. Whether you take studies of children and whether you take your work, so I think everything depends on it. So we cannot keep away in
Okay,
our
so
life.
you are a early bird or night owl?
No, no, I'm an early bird, though I like to wake up late, but just because, my children, I have to wake up daily at 5 because my children moves for school at 6:30. So definitely I have to wake up at 5, but I like to wake up late because
Oh,
I get just because of that I get only Saturday and Sunday to wake up late. But if you are an early bird, if you wake up early, so it's possible for you. Means you are able to finish your chores very early, and you can able to give time to your work also. If you
yes.
wake up late, then all of your day passes like this, and you do not come to know. What about you?
Yeah, I am also a early bird because nowadays my daughter's school is going on, so that is the main reason. But uh, in Saturday, Sunday also I wake up at same time because we are a habitual like that. So that is the reason. And after that we try to again sleep, so it never happened.
Yes, yes. Once we get up, it becomes difficult to sleep again. But I
Yes.
become sometimes very much lazy that even if I do not get sleep, still I lie down by closing my eyes just because today is Saturday, Sunday, so I have to wake up late and enjoy it just like this. Nowadays, my children vacation has been going on, so yes, I am truly enjoying my days just because I don't have to follow any routine. I have to wake up late because their summer holidays are going on.
Yes. You have any question?
Yes, I just want to know where do you live? Like you are saying, your daughter's school has been started. She goes to
I live
school.
in Bangalore.
Okay, Bangalore. Yes, there I think schools have been started.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, okay. I have heard that Bangalore environment weather is quite good, like compared to Delhi and Punjab,
Yes.
Faridabad,
It is a
Haryana.
mod
It's quite good.
Yeah, it is a moderate weather. Means after evening means we have always uh, means it is raining always. Means uh, whenever means every time you can see the cloud. You cannot feel the very hot weather. But nowadays monsoon has coming, so all we always face the rain also. So
So you ever been to Delhi or Punjab, Haryana, near to this side?
yeah, earlier I was there in Noida actually, not in Delhi. I was in Noida, so because of my husband transferred there, so I lived at 6 months there because my husband didn't like weather and environment. So again, we have to transfer there.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Because I somewhere I feel like I don't know about other one, but I somewhere I feel like weather impacts your mood a lot. I feel like when it is scorching heat or weather is so bad, automatically your mood becomes dull. And when weather is pleasant, automatically you become cheer up. Like your means my mood becomes very much. I feel like to do this thing also, that thing also, and it goes totally opposite when the atmosphere weather is very dull. It is so scorching heat to outside, means these days the weather is like this. You have to gather so many work and then you can think of going outside. It's so scorching heat. So I think for me it becomes very much difficult to be active, and especially in scorching summers.
Yeah, because
And
earlier I used to there, so that time we could not go outside. That time we always if 1 second will light will goes off, so that time I feel very scorchy hot weather and our body is itching means. So that time we are feeling very hot and we don't want to live there. That is the reason because in Bangalore we cannot. Switch on the fan also that time, but there we need AC. Without AC we cannot survive there.
And this is the main reason, if we turn on AC all the time and we go out immediately, then it affects our health. Either we, sore our throat or we get fever, body becomes very much, it becomes very much, your immune system is affected a lot because it becomes very difficult for your body to adapt. Immediately you are in a cold environment and whenever you are going out, you have to bear, your body has to bear with hot climate. So I think it happens here. Like my children many times when they come from school and once they drank immediately cold water, it take them 1 week to become
Yes.
normal because their sore get totally, their throat get totally sore. So I think we have to see these things very carefully, especially in summers. And I think in winters also, like even though winters are here only for one maximum for 2 months. For 2 months you have to bear the that much of chilly cold. But in 2 months you feel like it's enough. We cannot bear more than that. Now that kind of chilly weather you can experience in Delhi, Punjab, or Haryana. So yes, I think we are experiencing all kind of weather here. That is
Yeah,
also a different kind of experience.
yeah, basically I am from north side, I am from Bihar, but my husband is working here, so I live in Bangalore.
Okay, okay, okay. Yes,
Mm.
yes, yes. Okay,
So
yes.
we have to
Anything else? Okay, yes, sure. But one more question I just want to ask.
yes.
Anything in 3 months which you want to experience with anyone, which you have got different kind of experience by talking to anyone, or which you want to share? Is there anything
Yeah,
that you have learned from other or something unique? Anything?
Yeah, because I have started my channel. So nowadays I am connecting with YouTubers. So I connected with Rajni ma'am, Sunita ma'am. So I feel very privileged. Okay, and I was very happy to connect with them because we are following her, and when we get a chance to talk with them, so it is a very privilege to us. So
Yes,
that
yes.
was a good experience when I started my channel. So, and now I am thinking I will approach to another YouTuber also. So in that way, my confidence also boost up. And definitely, whenever I connect with that kind of people, so I learned a more means because I connected with Sunita ma'am. So that time I learned how to hold the conversation. Because if someone are not too much speak, so that time how to hold that conversation. And and when I connect with Rajni ma'am, so that time I learned, okay, patience is more important when you are connecting with people. So we have to speak calm way, and we have to keep patience inside also. So in that way I am learning. And yeah, now means in I am day by day I am improving myself also.
Yes, I also feel like when we connect with big YouTubers, there we learn a lot. Like we don't need to think so much because they are full of questions. They keep on asking, and many times when we get stuck, they handle the conversation. So while
Yes.
talking to very advanced YouTubers, you do not feel hesitant while talking to them.
Yes.
Conversation goes with the flow. I also have experienced this, and you get to learn a lot of things. Like you told with Rajni ma'am, you learned like how to maintain the patience while talking. So I think yes, we keep on conversing with these YouTubers to maintain our confidence and to learn new things. To
Yes.
how to improve ourselves every time.
And earlier I connected with Kawarjit Kaur from Jalandhar. So when I connect with her also, she gave me how to live positive, and always how to keep yourself motivated. So in that way, always I feel okay. I am learning something new, and I am also getting experience to other people.
Yes, yes, yes. Right, right. Very much right. Like this was the reason, like whenever you ask, like, do we have any topic to converse? So I also believe like while conversing, if any topic comes out, we can talk on it, with the flow. And especially when we prepare something, I feel like that always go worse. So I feel like to go with the flow and whatever comes up, we just, go with the flow. So I believe in this. So yes, I
Yes.
think our conversation went very well and I enjoyed throughout with you. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.